In this lesson, we're going to look at the second effect that we have in CorelDRAW, and that's the contour effect. So I'm going to create a shape over here, and then I'm going to select the contour command. So it's under shadow. So after the shadow effect, we have the contour effect. So if we select it, you can see we have three options over here. You can select it to be to center. So I'm just going to hit Ctrl Z first. Let's give this a fill color. So then we select the contour command. So we have to center, we have inside contour, and we have outside contour. Now depending on which one you've selected, you can come over here and select the number of steps you want to add. Then you can change the offset, the contour offset. So most of the time, just ensure that it's at 2.0, and then over here 2.0 millimeters. Then over here we have the color, so you can opt to change the color. Let's give it a lighter color. There we go.